All right, for this, you are going to be finding the sum of the measures of interior angles or the sum of the measures of an interior angle. So on questions 1 through 8, you're going to be finding the measurement, the sum. Okay, so that's the one where you're going to do the number of sides minus 2 times 180 degrees. Remember, like we talked about in our lesson today. When you get to question number 9 through 14, that's where you're going to find an interior angle, meaning one. So one angle. So that's where you're going to use the n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. And remember, n represents the number of sides. So you have to know your shapes. You have to know that a quadrilateral is 4-sided. You need to know that a 12-agon is 12-sided, that a hexagon is 6, and a pentagon is 5, and a hept is 7, and so on, okay? So the first one is a quadrilateral. We already know a quadrilateral is 360, but let's just show the work with the formula. So number of sides in a quadrilateral is 6, and you're going to do 6 minus 2 is 4 times 180 degrees equals 360. And remember, your formula is because it tells you in a quadrilateral how many triangles you can make without crossing diagonals. So in this one, I can't cross diagonals. I can't draw one this way. I have 2 triangles, both at 180 and 180 degrees. Okay? So that allows me to see, I don't know why I just put 6 there. That should say 4 because I just said it's a quadrilateral, and for some reason I called it a hexagon. So in your quadrilateral, 4-sided figure minus 2, I can create 2 triangles. So 2 triangles, sum of the angles is 180 and 180, which makes 360, okay? So that's how you're gonna do each one of those depending on the number of sides. When you get to question number 9, it has to say the word regular. Remember, regular means all angles and all sides are equal. So it's the only way I can use this formula. So it's a nonagon, which is 9 sides. So that's your n. And you're gonna go 9 minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by 9. So remember, this and this is your n. So once you do all of that, you're gonna find the measurement of each angle is gonna be 140 degrees because it's regular and they're all equal to each other. So that's how you're gonna do 10-6. Make sure you show your work. Make sure you check your answers before you submit it. Make sure you do the very, very best that you can in this chapter because it's one of the last times you're gonna see geometry before you get to 9th grade. So good luck.